Want to see your recently watched videos on TikTok? Here's a quick guide on how to find your watch history. First, open the TikTok app. Tap the profile icon, located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the menu. Scroll down until you find the Activity Center option under the Preferences section and tap on it. Now, simply tap on Watch History to view all your recently watched videos. You can also use the Filter by Date button at the top to narrow down your search by specific dates or time frames. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your TikTok watch history. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials.